Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, we need to turn on the watch. To turn it on, press and hold the upper button. Keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now, find the language you would like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it, for example, English. And once you select the language, you will need to download and install the ZEP application on your phone. So, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on Search, type in ZEP, and tap on Search button. You should see this application, ZEP, formerly known as AMAZFIT. Tap on the Install button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. After the application opens, you will need to log in into a ZEP account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Sign Up button or use the third-party account if you want to. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. And then you can tap on Sign In to log in. After you log in, you will see the home page of the app. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and on this page you should see the list of my devices, and on this list probably you won't have any devices, and you have the Add Device button. Tap on it, select the watch category, tap on Got it. You can allow or deny the permission for the location. It's recommended to allow it, but you can deny it if you want to. Once you allow the permission for the location, you can allow the permission for the camera, so you can scan the QR code with your phone. Once you open the camera app, or rather once the camera app opens, point it on the watch to scan the QR code. And after the QR code is scanned, it's gonna connect the devices. So let's wait. Confirm the pairing by tapping on the check mark. Right here we can synchronize the data from the account. So basically, if you had any devices connected on your account previously, you will be able to synchronize the data from those devices to your new watch if you want to. And you can select what type of data should be synchronized, and then you can tap on Synchronize Account Information. I'm just gonna tap on Set as New Device to not copy anything, but if you want to, you can copy something. Then tap on Done. You have a tutorial how to use the watch. You can go through it by swiping left on the screen or tap on Done to skip it. And after the tutorial, you should see the device page for your AMAZFIT GTR 3. Also, you will be able to use your watch. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.